Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an third semester electronics and communication branch, third semester subjects. So here they mention the first subject is digital electronics 2. So subject code is 25 EC 31 high. Okay, it is also having theory exam. Okay, you have to write a written exam. In that written exam, the maximum marks CIE will be there, means internal 50 marks, minimum you have to get a 20 marks, and you have to write a theory exam. This is also 50 marks. The minimum marks you have to score it 20 marks in the external exam. There is no practical exam for this subject. Next subject is communication systems. Subject code is 25 EC 32 high. This is also theory exam. They mentioned theory SC marks, nothing but it is having a theory exam. So internal for 50 marks maximum, and 20 marks will be a minimum you have to score. And in the theory final exam, so you have to rate they are going to conduct for 50 marks and you have to get a 20 will be the passing marks. So coming to the both the subject, for total marks will be an 100 and 100. You have to score for the both the internal and external. If you add both, so 40 will be the minimum passing marks for these subjects, for theory subject. Next subject is 25 EC 33 high applied electronics 2. Okay, it is also having a CIE, nothing but internals 50 marks and 20 will be the minimum. There is no theory exam for this subject. You have only practical. The practical also they are going to conduct for 50 marks. 20 will be the minimum marks. The total will be 100, both CIE and practicals for this subject. So next subject is 25 EC 34I, nothing but C programming. It is also having a internals, one CIE marks, nothing but internal marks 50 marks, maximum marks 50. You have to score 20 will be the minimum, nothing but 20 will be the passing marks. And it is also having a practical exam. There is no theory exam for this subject. You have only practical exam 50. They are going maximum, and 20 will be the minimum marks for the passing in the practicals. And also it is having a Kannada subject 25 KA 31T. It is a Kannada 1, also Sahitya Sinchana 1 and Balike Kannada 1. It is also having a only CIE. There is no exam for this subject. Only internal you have to score for. It is a maximum marks for 50. A minimum you have to score for 20. So it is only they are going to add only 50 marks, whatever total marks. Total per semester year 450 marks for all the subject. You have 2 theory subjects and 2 practical subject. Theory subjects nothing but you have a external exam, nothing but written exam. Practical means you have to do the practicals. So we'll move on to 4th semester subject. These are the subjects for 4th semester subjects. Here subject code is 25 EC 41I. It is a power electronics. CIE, it is an internal marks 50, minimum you have to score for 20, and it is having a theory exam 50 and 20 will be the minimum. So theory exam they mentioned here, you have to write a written exam. For this subject there is no practical. Okay. Next subject is 25 EC 42I. The subject name is electronics measurements and analysis. So it is also having a CIE for 50 marks. Minimum marks will be 20, and it is also having a written exam, nothing but theory exam. So 50 they are going to conduct. You have to score. Minimum passing marks will be 20 marks. Next, coming to the subject 25 ECE 43I, microcontroller and application. So it is having a CIE exam, internal exam 50, maximum will be an 50, minimum will be have to score 20, and it is having a practical exam. There is no written exam for this subject. Practical for 50 have to score minimum 20 for the passing marks. And next subject is 25 EC 44I, Verilog programming for a digital circuits, and it is having a CIE marks 50, maximum marks 50, minimum you have to score for 20, and it is also having a practical exam. There is no theory exam for this subject. You have to do practicals 50 they are going to conduct for 50. Maximum marks will be 50. Minimum you have to score for 20 will be in passing marks. And also it is having a Kannada subject 25 KA 41 T, and Kannada 2. It is having a 2. Kannada Sahitya Sinchana 2 Balike Kannada, and it is having only internal marks. There is no exam for this subject. You have to, maximum will be 50, minimum will be 20 marks. The total marks for this 4 semester marks will be 450 marks you have to score. Okay, in the both CIE and external exam. Okay, if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support, and keep watching my channel. Thank you.